Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying your Rav4 model year and the head unit software. This matters because update files are model-specific. Next, backup favorites and settings so you don't lose destinations. Then get the official Toyota map update on the correct medium, either the OEM SD card or a clean 8-32 GB USB formatted FAT32. This ensures the head unit recognizes the file. Once done, power the vehicle to accessory mode and keep the battery healthy during the procedure. You insert the prepared SD card or USB into the Rav4 slot while the car is in accessory or running mode so the system can read the media. From the navigation menu, go to Settings, choose System or Navigation Update, and follow on-screen prompts to start installation. This step copies and verifies map data. Make sure you do not eject the media or switch off the ignition, because interrupting the write can corrupt the map files and require reloading. Once the update completes, the head unit will usually reboot. After reboot, check the navigation about or system info to confirm the new map version so you know it succeeded. If the update fails, reformat the SD/USB to FAT32, re-download the official map package, and repeat the process because corrupted transfers are common. If problems persist, errors, boot loops, or missing maps, make an appointment with a Toyota dealer or contact Toyota support. They can run diagnostics and apply firmware fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.